Hey guys, it's Elise from Six Sisters Stuff, and today I am making our s'mores pizza. This is the perfect summertime treat. It's basically a huge graham cracker cookie topped with toasted marshmallows and melted chocolate. So to start off, I have got a cup of unsalted butter that's softened to room temperature. I'm going to mix that with a cup of light brown sugar and 2/3 cup of sugar. Then I'm adding 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mixing that until it's well blended. Now I'm adding 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs and 2.5 cups of flour, and then mixing that until everything is well combined until it's a nice thick dough. Now I'm just going to roll this out on a 13-inch pizza pan that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. You just want to roll the dough out all the way to the edge and so it's nice and even and flat. Then we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 15 minutes or until the middle of the cookie is set. So after the dough has cooked for 10 to 15 minutes and the middle is set, I take it out of the oven and I'm spreading on 4 cups of mini marshmallows and 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. And you want to be sure to not get the marshmallows too close to the edge because they will expand as it cooks. So then put that back in the oven for 3 minutes to toast the marshmallows. And when it's done, remove it, and you're going to top that with some extra graham cracker crumbs. And I have another cup of milk chocolate chips that I've melted, and I'm just drizzling that on top. We hope you guys like this fun twist on s'mores. It's the perfect summertime recipe and dessert, and you can find this recipe and thousands of others at sixsistersstuff.com.